where does the name the Afon Braint come from? The Afon Braint is a small river that starts just north of Llanfairpwll Gwyngyll, and unusually for a river in Europe, splits in two very high up its course, with one half going down to Pwll Ffynogol and flowing into the Menai, and the other half going all the way down south to the south coast of Anglesey, where it comes out into the sea as well, near Newborough. Now, the Afon Braint has two words in it. You have the word Afon, which is a river. It'll be familiar to English speakers from places like Avon, like Stratford upon Avon. And Braint in modern Welsh, there she is. Braint in modern Welsh means privilege, but here it doesn't. It's actually a continuation of an older name, Brigantia. It was the name of a Romano-Celtic goddess who must have been associated with the area.